friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Trendsend, which I'm excited about. I try not to order new boxes as I'm doing this closet clean out, and sometimes things just happen. You know, these companies send you emails and you see stuff and you're like, well, that looks good. So I ordered a Trendsend. So I let my stylist know, Melody, what's up? Hey, how you doing, girl? That I just kind of wanted some cozy pieces, you know, cozy chic, something like that. I don't know, I didn't really have a lot of specifications, and that's kind of it. So let's dive into it. If you're not familiar with Trendsend, they are a styling service from the store Ever Eve, and they provide you with 2 to 3 fully styled outfits, which I love getting kind of styled outfits. And there is a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything that you purchase. I do have a referral link below that will get you 20% off of your first box, and that will get me 20% off as well. And I think that is the main gist of it. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I've got a few different bundles here, so let's start with this bundle here, and this looks like some cozy goodness. I'm very excited about this. Oh, this feels nice. Okay, so this is by Chaser. This is a cropped sweatshirt, which has been my go-to. It's kind of the cropped look, kind of a dolmany type sweatshirt, which will kind of lend to the slouchy look of it. And I really like that. That's super, super cute. It's very soft, both inside and outside. So really like that piece. Next up, we have, a pair of joggers, which I do like some joggers. This is by Sundry for Ever Eve. And this was one that Melody and I actually texted a little bit, and I suggested me some joggers because, you know, I've got plenty of jeans, obviously, if you watch any of my jean clean out videos, and so I wanted to try a pair of joggers. So here we go. She warned me they were expensive, and I said, let's go for it anyways. They feel really good quality. They aren't too thin, so I'm really excited to try these. Next bundle, you see that fuzziness there, that I'm excited about. Okay, we've got this tank for, you know, great layering piece. This is by Chaser, and it's got a unique back that I really like. Kind of these bars here in the back, and I like that it is kind of a shorter piece. It even has kind of a more rounded in the back. So I actually really, really like that. Then we have this half sleeve white shirt, which I do enjoy a half sleeve shirt. This is by Michael Stars, and just a good layering piece. So I like that a lot. Ooh, we got jewelry. Hello. Okay, what do we got? Ooh, I like these. These are right up my alley. Okay, we got some earrings. There's actually some sparkle behind it that you can kind of see through the gold there. I really like these. I'm going to set these here. Super cute. And then we've got this wonderful warm number. Again, a cropped. I like the kind of button-up cardigan type look that you wear kind of buttoned together. This is by Stitches and Stripes, and this feels great. Also kind of has what's super in right now, kind of these bubble sleeves or whatever you call them. I like that it's not an extreme bubble sleeve, so I really like that. And then we have these are soft. Cut by the Cloth. These are the high-rise Elizabeth crop straight leg. So Melody knows I've been going heavily towards the straight leg. So I really like these, and we'll see how they look on. Very, very soft though. All right, last bundle here. We have a kind of an animal print something. What are you? Okay, so this is just a cute casual top. It's got this bar across the back. I believe that is the back, yes. And this is by Peyton Jensen. And there we go, long sleeve. That is super cute. Then here we have, you know, a band t-shirt. I really like the colors of it, the retro look of it. I think that is very cute. And then we have a sweatshirt, kind of a dressy sweatshirt. Again, kind of an animal print look to it, but kind of with some pinks and purples, which makes it pretty. Peyton Jensen. So there we go. Nice top there. Okay. Great, great pieces. I think Melody is awesome. There are some pieces here I'm very excited to try on, which brings me to, let's try it on. Okay, here we go. Outfit numero uno. And this is the essence of cute, casual, stay at home, but feel cute about how you look. So, the joggers. Now, the joggers are really good quality. They feel good. They are, the beauty with the joggers is they can be a little long, but they've got the tighter ankle, so it just kind of groups there at the bottom a little bit, and it works. So I think it's a good fit. It's not too tight around the bum, anything like that. My 360. So I like them. I think they're just a cute casual piece. Now the sweatshirt, I'm a big fan of. Now you guys know I've always been like, ooh, I hate dolmans, but in something like this where you really are going for a casual slouchy look, I have no problem with it. So here it is, kind of having the neck up, and then even it would probably fall to the side at some point, so I could do an off the shoulder look with it. And I like, you know, the simple heart on the front. I think is super cute, also super soft. So I really like this sweatshirt. I think it is a great, cute, casual piece. So let's get to the next outfit. Okay, outfit number 2, and I've been going through Melody's notes on each outfit to make sure that I'm putting things together properly. So this one actually had 5 different pieces. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces on right now. So, okay, I guess let's start it at the bottom. Now, these are so comfortable. I like butter. Absolutely comfortable. They have a looseness. I think they're boyfriend style straight leg jeans. So they have this great looseness to them, but not like pull up your pants looseness. It's still it still fits really well as far as kind of a good sit on your body, not having to heft it up. I like that it is a clean straight leg that I will be able to wear to work when I return someday. And I don't know, I think it's very cute, just a cute straight leg jean. So I like these a lot. Now, next up we have the sweater, and I think it's a great sweater. It's got the crop. I view this as like a very trendy sweater because we have the crop, the button up front, and the kind of balloonish sleeves. Now the balloonish sleeves are not too big for my taste. I love the super soft, chunky knitness of it. So again, this is one that I see when I'm feeling really cold, but I want to be cute. I can grab that. And that's sometimes a struggle for me, is what is cute that I can grab that is also like super warm on days. I just have mornings where it's like I can't seem to warm up, so I want something to help me warm up. Now I layered under it the black tank that I'll show you guys in a minute, and the white top also can be layered under it according to Melody's notes, so I'll put that on in a minute. Now the earrings I have on, and I am assist. Can you see those? Okay. Super cute. So you see on one side, it's the sparkly side, and then here's kind of the metal side, and the sparkly show through. Super cute. I really like these. So those are definitely going to be keepers. Okay, here is the black tank that is a great layering piece. It's got this bar in the back that I think is cute. It has a decent thickness for it. In it, and it has kind of like the t-shirt hem to it, which I always think is cute. It obviously tucked really well, so I think it's a great layering piece. If it's pretty affordable. I might end up keeping it. Let's go to the white top now. Okay, I went ahead and threw the sweater on over it again so you could see what that look is like. I think I like the black one better because I like it having more of like a V-neck look to it, but this also works great, and I'll show you the white top now by itself. Okay, here we go, white top, half sleeve. I really like a great layering piece like this. It looks like it's a boat neck, which is cute, and then let me pull it out. It obviously tucks well and isn't too long, so it's a very good layering piece. So this just might depend on what the price is, but I think it's cute, so let's keep going. Okay, so the last like outfit are 3 different tops that can be worn with the jeans or the joggers, so I will show these to you guys pretty quickly. So we have this great top that has kind of this band at the bottom, cute dolmany, and kind of a dotted animal print vibe to it. Just a cute, again, kind of a cozy piece, but more cozy chic, more of a dressy chic type shirt. And there is the bar in the back that is a cute detail, so I like it. Okay, next top. Okay, this one is very soft, almost like that, I think that brushed knit feeling. Again, has a band here that, you know, gives it kind of a more of a crop. It gives it more of a crop look, but like a stay in place cropped look. I love the colors on it. I like the purple and whatnot, so I think that is cute. Again, another cute casual piece, but more on the dressier casual spectrum, so I like it. All right, last outfit. Okay, here we go. Now this is per Melody's suggestions of how to wear this graphic tee. So she suggested a front tuck into the joggers and a denim jacket over that, which I do really like a denim jacket with a casual jogger like this. It gives it kind of a almost kind of a reverse outfit where you usually have denim on bottom and something else knit on top. And I think it gives it kind of a more cool vibe. So I think this is a super cute outfit here. Thank you for the suggestion, Melody. Just to show you guys the t-shirt a little bit more. And unfortunately it is a little bit wrinkly because it sat in a box for a few days. I was going to finish filming and then had to say goodbye to a cat, and then we left for a few days, and so I just sat there. So anyways, it's a little wrinkly because of that. My bad. So anyways, so there's just a better look at the shirt, and I think it's just cute, super comfy. I love the retro look of it. So there we go. All right, so lots of great pieces, a lot of things I liked here. Let's go over prices and decide what to keep. Okay, so here we go. First of all, don't mind the tag. I'm trying to decide if I'm keeping this top from Stitch Fix, and now that I have it back on, I feel like I'm not going to keep it. It's super soft, but I don't know. I don't know if it's that exciting, though I do like thumb holes. Okay, anyways, here we go. We have the what I still have on, the Maisie Sparkle Filigree earrings, and these are $10.79. What I'm giving you is I do have somebody who used my referral link, so thank you to whoever used my referral link. That gets you 20% off, me 20% off. So these prices are with 20% off. Also keep in mind, if I keep 4 more items, I get an additional 10% off. So these are my discounted prices that I'm going to give you. So $10.79 for these beauties. Yes, definitely keeping these. Then we have the by Michael Stars, the Paloma elbow sleeve tee, and this is $43.19. Not gonna keep this because I actually have something very similar, just kind of, it's this but ribbed and with a few buttons in the front, and I didn't like it enough to spend 43 bucks on it, so not gonna keep that. Then we have by Stitches and Stripes the Natalie Nubby cardigan, and it is $63.36. So this is a maybe. I really like this. I almost am concerned that it might be a little bit too trendy where I might not like it here in a year or two. So if I spend 60 bucks on something, I'd really like to like it for the long haul. Oh, and I love the color of it too. So I really like it, but I'm just a maybe on that. Then we have the ribbed ladder back tank and by Chaser 3239. I actually really like this as a layering piece. I like the thickness of it. The fit is great, that it's not too tight but not too loose. So even though it's 30 bucks for a tank, I'm still considering keeping that. So we're gonna give that a big fat maybe as well. Then we have from Cut by the Cloth the high rise Elizabeth straight. These are 6408. I'm very conflicted about a lot of these pieces because I'd really like them, but I'm struggling with not wanting to spend a lot of money. These, again, I can't tell you, even when I was pulling them up, it's like, man, these are so soft and cozy. They have a lot of room in them. I tend in the winter to wear some leggings under my pants for an extra layer of warmth, and so these were ones that I could easily get some leggings on underneath, super comfy. So I'm a maybe on this as well. Then we have the With Heart sweatshirt by Chaser. This is $56.88. Again, a maybe. I really like it. It's super soft inside and outside. I only have one other sweatshirt that's kind of like this usual, this heather gray casual look to it, and I wear it all the time because I like having a nice neutral sweater that I can wear with my colorful leggings and Christmas pants and things like that. So that's another reason why I'm tempted to keep this. So maybe there. The Everyday Pocket Jogger by Sundry, $63.36. I'm not going to keep these. I like them. I really like joggers. I think they're a good balance between, you know, going out and staying in. My only thing with these is I like my bottoms to be as warm as possible. So they were almost a little bit too light and breezy for my taste. I've reached the time of the year where I am bundling up as much as possible. So then we have the Stella Leopard Pullover by Peyton Jensen, $48.96. I liked it, but from a priority standpoint, I like the last four pieces better than I like this. So I'm prioritizing my money and not gonna keep that. The same goes for the Bad Moon Rising Tee by Let Love, $48.96 again. I liked it, but I actually already have too many kind of casual t-shirts like this, although this one's super cool. I do really like this. I just don't think money-wise this is my priority. And same goes for the last one by Peyton Jensen. This is a Gemma Animal Dot Top, $32.39, and I just have other pieces I like more. I liked all these. In fact, there's nothing here I did not like. I just can't keep everything. So my for sure keepers are obviously the earrings. My maybes are the cardigan, the black tank, the straight leg jeans, the heart sweatshirt. So there's actually four maybes. I have to make a decision because this is already epically late. They've actually already charged me for the entire box, but I'm hoping I can get some refund when I send back the pieces. So I don't really know exactly what I'm going to keep. I probably will keep 4 items to get that additional 10% off. I'm just not quite sure yet which one. So I might pop this into my computer, see what I think, and make a decision there. I'm sorry, I hate it when I leave it so open-ended, but it's just these last 4 pieces. I'm not sure. Basically, the 4 maybes, I want to keep 3 out of the 4, so I just need to figure what that out is. I love to hear you guys' opinions on these pieces and what you think I should keep, what I shouldn't keep. Okay, so this was a great box. Very happy with it. The fact that I'm struggling with deciding what to keep because I want to keep too much is always a great sign. Thank you, Melody. You're always the best. And again, if you guys are interested in trying the service, I do have the referral link that gets us both 20% off. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below. All right, hopefully I see you guys in the next video. Bye.